Hi, this is Kevin. Today we're going to talk about how to hook up your front attachments on our John Deere 3025E tractor with the 300 series front loader. Today I'm going to talk about how to hook up and detach two of the front attachments on this tractor. This is a 2021 3025E John Deere, and it's got the 300E loader. The loader is an option. It doesn't come with the tractor, so you get the loader, and then I got several attachments, but one was these pallet forks right here, because these are great for hauling logs or fence post or whatever, ripping out roots and carrying them over to your burn pile when you want to get rid of some bushes or trees or just various functions. These are great, and we'll show you how to take off these and put this bucket on right here. This is the bucket that came with it, and it's very simple, very fast, and these are two attachments that's really I highly recommend. All right, so we're just going to pull up here and set these pallet forks down and pull the pins and get them off here. Okay, now you're just going to pull these pins right here. Okay, it comes right out. You're going to come over here. You're going to pull the other pin. It comes right out. Okay, and then what we're going to do is this, the only thing holding it on right now is these right here. We're just going to lower this down, and it's going to come right out of this pocket. Alright, now you just put these pins in here. That's it. And that's how you take off and install new attachments when you're ready to use your new tractor. That's our video today on how to hook up your front attachments on your 300E loader on your John Deere 3025E compact tractor.